Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And don't look at my messy little table. This is all gonna be up, redone. I just have to get it done. So you guys, today I'm bringing you here to do somewhat of a haul share, but it's more of a gift share. My daughter got these for me, so I'm gonna share with you guys everything that I got. Alright you guys, I'm back. And I do apologize for the background noises. No, we're not killing ducks out here. No, we're not chasing ducks out here. They're doing some kind of a construction up like 2 streets over, but you can hear it. This is an all day long thing, so I just have to deal with it. So, in Dollar General, well, I don't know if it applies to all of them, but I know in the Dollar General where I live, they have the decorative boxes on clearance for 75 cents, you guys. Check your local Dollar Generals. Today is the 19th. It's Friday the 19th of October. So go check it out. Run tell that, as they say. I got a whole bunch of cute ones. I told my daughter to just whatever she can get, because I want to redo my whole crafty section. I want to be able to organize it a little bit better, make it a little bit more appealing to the eye, if you will, appealing to my eye for sure. So I'm going to share with you guys some of the boxes that I got. Some of you guys might have seen this. Some of you guys might have even got the chance to haul these. But, yes, look at this beauty. And it says believe. And I just love the fact that I don't know how many are in this. She sent me a big, huge black garbage bag full of them. So we're going to see. Right, you guys, sorry for the interruption. My daughter was just calling to find out if I got her gift, and yay. So these are really, really large, you guys. Definitely over 12 inches by about 9.5. So I would say about 13 by 9.5. Do they have the size on them? They normally go for $5. They normally go for $5, and it's so pretty. I can't fit paper pads like, flat, but I can definitely stick them in the long ways if I wanted to. And I can also use this lid for either some other kind of type of storage, or I can just use it as it is. And it does say believe on the sides as well, and I just love it. I love the pattern on the back. I haven't caught one of these boxes, one of these sale boxes, for a long time. This is not the first time that they do this. So we're going to start stacking these babies up. Here's another one. This one's a little bit smaller, and it says Imagine. Maybe just move that one a little better frame. It says Imagine. And this is like so perfect for like a crafter's workspace, because that's pretty much what we do. We believe in our craft. We imagine things. Well, hopefully not people and stuff like that, but we imagine stuff and then we put it to work, right? We create. And they're beautifully decorated inside and outside. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And this one, it's about 12, maybe 12.25 of an inch. And width-wise is about almost 8 inches by like a hairline. But super pretty. It's got the word Imagine. This is what the sides. Oops, it's got the word. This is what it looks like on the side. This is what it looks like, and it's got a really pretty metallic striping going across the lid. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna put this one inside of this one just so that I don't overwhelm myself. Let's see what else. Oh, she also got me some baskets. I'm not sure if these were on sale too, but if she put them in there, they probably were on clearance or next to the clearance section. So she got me 3 of these cute little ones that match the boxes perfectly. Let's see. Oh, we have Dream in blue. Aren't these pretty? And I like the fact that they all kind of match with each other. And such a stalker. These boxes are to be unnested and sold individually. So they put a little disclaimer, because I guess people were stacking them, like they were putting them one inside the other, since they are nestable, when you're going to take it out of the store after you've paid for them. And I guess some people were trying to be slick, so they put a little piece of paper in there just in case you run across one of those trying to buy one get 3 free. So this is more or less what the inside looks like, and it's got like pretty little birdies on it, and it says dream with the same pink striping all the way across. Oh, and these go for $4. This is the same size as the one that I got before, and I hope that the background noise is not too ridiculously annoying. I do apologize for that. This is an even smaller one, again with the same motif of believe. This one's about 11.5 inches by 7 inches. I think that this will be perfect for some of my stamps, to like store my stamps and stuff like that. So I'm gonna nest this one inside of the other one. This one says dream, again in the same small. So I got 2 of the small ones. Let me see. Come out of the little box. So I got these 2. Oh, this one's actually smaller than the one that I just put in there. So let's see what size this one is. This one's actually a little bit smaller. This one's about 10.5 inches by, and I'm going by the size of the lid guide. The box itself is going to be a little bit smaller than that, by about 6.25. And yes, so that's that one. It does have a little bit of a scratch on there, but you guys, come on, 75 cents. Not even on Dollar Tree. Not even in Dollar Tree. So let's see what else we have in here. Ooh, we have another one. This is a different style altogether. And it's perfect. It says dream. And it's got pink marbling. That's what the front of it looks like. I love how this kind of looks. And I love the marbling, especially since I'm into like acrylic pouring right now. Super, super cute. And this is what the back looks like. And these normally go for $5. It's velcroed, and this is what the inside looks like. It's got a polka dotted, it's like gray and pink. Super, super cute. I cannot wait to add these and store some of my stuff in them, and definitely get my whole desk area more pleasant. She said that they had like a whole bunch, and she sent me pictures. They had like almost like a whole bunch of tiers, and one of the shelves like full of them. So no, we didn't wipe out the store, you guys. But whenever you can find a deal, you gotta take it. So let me see here, because the little plastic that covers the little Velcro thing came off. So this one is in watercolor flowers. Really, really pretty as well. And this is what the front looks like. It's got a little pink bow on it. It's got a little gift tag. These go for $3 normally. Again, these were all 75 cents. It didn't matter what size they were. This is what the inside looks like. Really, really pretty. We have these other ones. This one's a little bit smaller. This one got a little damage right there, but it could have been damaged from when they threw them inside. So I'll just probably glue that out and reseal that back down. I'll fix that up. Live in the moment. Same design inside. This is some of that marbling. $3 for this small one. This one is approximately 7 3/4 inch by 7 3/4 inch. There's a perfect square. How much? $3. These two are like the same size, I think. Actually, no, they're not. So there's a difference. Let me put them back to back. Yeah, see, there's a difference. In the width, you still have a little bit of space left over, and in length, you definitely have quite a difference in space left over as well. So the marbling ones are actually bigger than these here. Got the Leaning Tower of Pisa happening. And oops, there's still more. Okay, we got this one. I'm sorry if it's getting a little bit dark. Let me see if I can pull my light down just a little bit. There we go. The tower is growing, you guys. The tower is growing. and I stacked some of them inside of other ones, so it probably would have been really high by now. So these are watercolors, again, with the watercolor flower motif. These go for around $4. This is what the front of it looks like. Really, really pretty. The ones that I've caught on clearance before were the holiday ones. So right after Christmas, you guys, they usually put like whatever Christmas boxes they have, like Santa and stuff like that. They usually put those on sale. I guess this was part of their spring collection, and since they didn't sell out, like their spring summer collection, and since they didn't sell out, they just put them up. So check for these boxes after major holidays, and after the seasons, you know, after the seasons change. So I think now that they're going into the winter Christmas scene, they're gonna start bringing out all of the Christmas winter decorated you know, decorative boxes. So be on the lookout for when the season ends. Usually I find them for 75 cents. I'm not sure if you can find them for cheaper there in your local Dollar General, but definitely be on the lookout. They normally don't tell you when they're gonna go out for sale, but that's just what I've noticed. More of those little slips inside, but really, really pretty, right? It almost reminds me of that Alice in Wonderland paper that I just purchased. It's got like similar kind of colors, and I love the watercolor on this. So let's put this one on this side over here. And what else do we have? Okay, it looks like we have two more, and here are some of the smaller ones. The marbling. The word is inspire. Oh, I love this. I love this, and I love the mints because green is one of my favorite colors, and most shades except for puke green. I don't really like puke green too much, but love the colors. Got like this really pretty mint kind of color, with some blues and some mints and some like pinks and peaches kind of color. Really, really pretty. And some gray. These go for around $2. These are the really small ones. I don't think I have them this small. And this is about 6.5 by 6 3/4. So really, really cute. And then the last one, you guys, there's another itty bitty mini. This one's really, really cute as well. This goes for around $2 normally. So once I have all of this stuff done, you guys, I'll definitely come back and do like a video share of what my space looks like. I'll try to do some pictures of what it looked like before, and then I'll do some pictures. I'll do a video share of what it looks like after, once I've done all of this organizing and sorting and all of those things. I think this is going to go a long way to helping me bring a little bit more color and just more elegance, I think, overall to my crafty space, because my crafty space is kind of, I don't know, to me it's kind of blah. All I see is stuff. Like all I see is the supplies that I have to use, which is cool and dandy, but overall I would love to be able to see, you know, a little bit more organization in what I have. Even though I have things sorted and organized, and I know where everything more or less is, I would really like to have it just a little bit more, you know, put together, a little bit cuter, a little bit nicer, if you will, if that's even a way to put it. But thank you guys so much for watching. Again, today is Friday, October the 19th, and if you have one of these stores near you, I'm pretty sure that they're gonna have them available until they sold out. They just put them up today, so definitely check your local Dollar Generals today, tomorrow. Check and find out. Anything that has to do with like their spring or their summer, you know, decorative boxes and things like that nature, most likely are going to be on sale for either 75 cents or less than $1. And it's all the sizes. It doesn't matter what size it is. Maybe the smaller ones even cost less. I don't know. I didn't ask my daughter. But it's gonna be anywhere from 75 cents to less than that, to 50 cents. I don't know. Go check it out, you guys. Go check it out. So thanks so much for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed this, and be on the lookout for when I do my craft section, right? My studio, my craft little studio, which is really a corner of my room. I'll do a share for that soon. Thanks you guys for watching. Bye.